In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or enter into safe mode with networking on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu or start button, and then select the power icon. Hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. And then this should launch a troubleshooting menu. If you're unable to boot into Windows, you can just do a hard power off on your device 3 times in a row. And that should also launch the troubleshooting or options to change your startup setting behaviors. And then at this point, select troubleshoot, reset your PC or see advanced options. Select advanced options, and then you want to select startup settings. Select restart. And then there should be an option on your Acer device to select Enable Safe Mode with Networking, F5 or Function 5 key in our case. Just go ahead and enter or hit that on your keyboard, and you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.